Again, if you did not hear it, all drivers in semi-late 210. Once you go through the scale, get in line. We're going to draw another 50-50 ticket. We're going to draw one right now. $760. All right, Doug, first of all, congratulations on the win. Thanks for taking the pie in the eye. What's the racing surface like right now as we get to roll into the rest of the feature program?
The racing surface is really good right now. There's a lot of bite. I think there's actually a lot more on top. So I'm kind of excited to see what the super lates are going to be using. But it's a little bit slick in the center 1 and 2, but other than that, the track's fantastic. Couldn't ask for a better track.
Excellent. Did you guys make any big changes from the heat race to the feature?
Not tonight. Actually, we did some testing after Thunder Mountain last night, and we kind of figured a couple things out with the car. So it showed tonight. We were able to stay with Eddie most of the night, which is a big difference because he's been bad fast all year long. So usually I have to wait for a dry track and for him to wear his tires out before I can even catch him. But we're getting better. This win is huge for confidence of our team, and we're getting there. We're real close.
All right, Doug, and here's your chance to thank sponsors and pit crew, everybody to help you put it in Kawasaki Victory Lane.
Oh, geez, first time Victory Lane this year where I could actually thank my sponsors. I can't forget Jan with Egger America, who so happily put that pie in my face. Is she down here? There she is. Yeah, thank you. Allison Associates, St. Mary's Insurance Agency, Krekel Enterprises, Morelli's Auto Sales, PBA, Pennsylvania Beer Alliance, Duluth Trucking, Milady and Wooten,
it's not bad.
Team Surra Outdoors, who else was here? Castle's Wig, they're a big time sponsor for us. Wick, Lawn Care, Pittsburgh Technical Institution, Mackey's Auto Sales. I think that's everybody. Without them, we don't go around the track. Our cars pretty much ran on our sponsorship money, and they're a huge help, but we don't take a dime out of our pocket, so I gotta thank them first and foremost.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, your Swanson Heavy Drum Repair and Service Semi-Late Feature winner. From Jersey, Pennsylvania, the All-American, Doug